Hi, this is Bob Abbott, and I just want to give you a quick overview on how to read your owner statement because we get questions on this from time to time. So, right here at the top is the portfolio summary, and this gives you the summary of all of your properties. If you only have one home, this will equal what you'll see for the individual property, but it'll have a little more information in there regarding your contributions and draws. So, right at the top is the previous balance. This would be an unusual circumstance, but it's if there was any balance left from the previous month that was not distributed at month end. Again, this is rare unless you're in a turnover or if the home's currently on the market, then there will be funds in that account. The income is simply all the rent paid by your tenants during the month. Your expenses are all of your expenses for repairs, utilities, lawn mowings, anything else like that, excluding your management fees. Management fees are shown on the next line in total. And then your total here is the total of all of those above, including the previous balance. So this is the net cash available for you to take out of the portfolio during the month. Contributions would be if you made any contribution to the portfolio during the month. Generally, this would be for any large repair or a turnover. And then the draw is the amount sent to you by us during the month. This is what's deposited into your account. And the ending balance is simply what's left over. Again, most of the time, this will be zero. If you have multiple properties, you'll be able to scroll down through the statement and see the performance for the individual property. So in this case, the tenant paid rent, $550. We had management fees, and there was a small repair for that. So then that shows the net income of that property. Most cases, you should have nothing there other than your management fee. But if you've got a turnover, in this case, you can see there's some large expenses with the comments here and the date of the bill. If you go to the very bottom of the statement, this client had a lot of properties, so it's going to take a minute to scroll down here. But you'll be able to see your security deposit that are on account. So these are held in our escrow account for all of the properties, as well as any unpaid bills. Again, this would be unusual, but if you did your draw on the 11th and then the repair came up, you may have an unpaid bill here. Hopefully this answers your questions. If not, please feel free to contact us, support@alarca.com or via your owner portal, and we'll make sure to get back to you. Thanks a lot.